The new standard in PC gaming. Extreme processing performance with Intel Core i5-12400F, 6-core, 12-thread, base 3.4 GHz, boost 4 GHz. The game is at your mercy. Play any game at high settings and frame rates with the NVIDIA RTX 3050 graphics card. Fast and plentiful storage with the 240GB SSD Primary Drive and a 1TB HDD backup, housed in the stunning Patriot gaming case and powered by the 500 watts bronze-rated PSU, pre-installed with Microsoft Windows 11 Home operating system.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter.